Oh, the water's nice and warm. No people. That is funny. That's probably getting sucked in to make the big wave. Whoa! Okay. Jump. Oh! Good job, little buggy. Oh, that feels so good.
That feels nice if you go far.
Okay.
If you walk with
Okay. Well, we'll go out to the red line.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I just know the wave is not coming. Oh, yeah, puppy.
Are you starting to get cold?
No, not really.
Okay, well I'm glad the water's warm, but the air is a little bit. It's about 76 degrees, I think.
Cold is cold.
The last time I saw it. No, that's not freezing.
Go, puppy.
Here. Oh! Okay.
Puppy.
Okay.
What's up, Secret?
You okay? You want me to hold on to your arm? You think that's better?
Yeah.
Okay. Even Daddy's not liking this amount of rain. I don't know why. We'd just be wet anyway. Yeah.
Let me check if this is the red light. It's not
I'm sorry. It's okay. No, it's okay.
You want me to take your picture?
No, we're running video.
Hi, Ryland!
Whoa. Nothing. I'm just thinking, look at the rain. We have to stay. You know, when we leave the wave pool again, we might ride the rafts a couple times and then go home, okay? Okay.
Hi, camera. Camera. What is that when you say camera?
How do you say camera in Spanish?
Camano.
Okay.
Hold your nose. Can you make it up?
Well, I gotta hold you. I don't really hold the nose. Hold the arm. My bathing suit almost came off.